we're going to click on open next to Premiere Pro Beta. Okay, and once we open it, you can see that it's got this cleanup dialog in just a click, and it should have heaps of other things you can try. But in case they don't show up, click on this little gift icon, explore what's new and tips, and you can see it says quickly clean up your dialog. That's the first thing we're going to try. So we're going to click try it now. Quickly clean up your dialog. Okay, and it brings you to this tutorial page. And the reason I'm making this video is so that once I go through the tutorial, you don't have to do the tutorial yourself. You can just watch the video, right? So you can see here, in this tutorial, you use enhanced speech to automatically improve the audio recorded using two different microphones, a boom microphone and an in-camera microphone. In-camera microphone would be really bad normally, right? Because the quality is really bad, whereas the boom microphone would be really good. But I guess the whole point of this is to make both sound just as good. Play the sequence currently in the timeline and listen to the differences. Okay, so let's try it.
I think pressure like this, where you have a finite amount of time that have been put together because they've never met each other, there's going to be some interesting...
Open the Essential Sound panel by choosing Window Essential Sound. So let's go to Window Essential Sound. There it is. Okay, so the right hand side, this window thing has shown up. In the timeline, select both clips, then tag both clips by choosing the dialog option in the Essential Sound panel. So I'm going to select this clip. Select this clip by holding down Shift and clicking it here. You can also assign one of the following audio types to each clip yourself. So this is definitely dialogue because someone is talking. Next step, you learn how to use AI to repair the audio. Next, let's apply enhanced speech to both clips and clean up and improve both clips with only clip 1 selected. Now we're going to go just clip 1. Choose enhance under enhanced speech options. So enhanced speech, there is an enhance option. This may take a few minutes to complete. So it's downloading something. Let it download. Move the playhead to the beginning of play 1 and listen to the enhanced clip. Then use the slider to adjust the mix amount. Okay, so let's go to listen to the enhanced clip.
I think pressure like this, where you have a finite amount of time, you have intense brief, you have the client basically living with you for 3 days.
That's amazing. There's no background noise at all. No background noise at all. What does this mix amount do? So let's try, what's this say? Level of enhancement, so let's drag that back down.
I think pressure like this, where you
heaps of background noise, and let's go back to 10.
You have a finite amount of time, you have
no background noise. So that's basically, instead of mix amount, I would say how much background noise.
I think pressure like this, where you have a finite amount of time, you have intense brief, you have the client basically living with
how
you
much
for 3
background
days.
noise there. So you can even adjust it while the video is playing. Repeat these steps using clip 2. Okay, so clip 2, enhance speech, enhance. This is incredible. Okay, so let's now play it.
The teams that have been put together,
let's get rid of,
because they've never met each other,
heaps of background noise.
The teams that have been put together, because they've never met each other, there's going to be some interesting reality TV like social dynamics, which I'm sure will emerge.
Wow, so the two clips are basically now sound the same.
Intense brief, you have the client. There's going to be some interesting...
So I guess this was the in-camera microphone. This was the boom microphone. And they both had a bit of background noise. Now there's no background noise. Great job. Complete enhanced speech. Okay, so even just this, it's going to help you heaps with video making. all right, by getting rid of the background noise. So try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.